Hey guys, it's your girl Natalia.Armoni and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be applying this wig from Alipearl Hair. They sent me over their 13x4 body wave wig, HD lace, and this is in the color dark brown. And we're just going to jump straight into the video. I already bleached the knots and plucked the wig off camera. And the wig did come pre-plucked, but I just plucked it a little bit more. To apply the wig, we will be using the Boho Active. I didn't really use that many layers of glue because I wasn't going to keep this wig on long. But I used about 3 layers. The first layer I put down is just to secure the cap. And then the other layers I put on my skin. Now that the glue is dry, you're going to lay the lace directly in the glue. And y'all, please make sure like y'all putting the edge of where the hair starts in the glue. Like lay the lace exactly where you put the glue so you don't have to cut off that much hair. And it like mimics your real hairline. And then as you see, I'm just taking my comb and I'm really pressing it in the glue. And I'm also going to use my blow dryer just to make sure that the glue is completely dry and everything is secure. And then put an elastic band over top for that extra melt. So now that we let the band sit on there for a couple minutes, it's time to cut off the excess lace. And I like to cut off my ear tabs last because when I was cutting them off first, I would always cut off too much and then the lace was not really over my ears. So I always like cutting them off last, but it's to each his own. But as you see, I'm using a razor to cut off the excess lace. I just cut the lace into like 4 different sections. It's just easier that way for me. And then, yeah, just cut off the excess lace with the razor. The razor, to me, makes it look more natural than using scissors. And do you see that melts? But it does look a little ashy and dry. So what I like to use is this Eben spray. Is their melting spray. And I like to just spray it like directly on the edge of the lace where I feel like it looks a little like white. And then take my fingers and just tap the product in and then put the elastic band back on for like 10 more minutes so you can really get a melt like this. Y'all see I had to zoom in so y'all can get into it. But now we're going to go ahead and finish styling the hair. I like my hair super flat. So I like to take the wax stick to the root of the hair and put it on there. And then take my hot comb and press it out. I was using some spritz, but I really don't recommend it. Like, it really didn't have a nice hold on my hair like I thought it would. I do like how the wax stick has the hold on it. And then maybe the Eben spray has like a nicer hold than the spritz spray. But yeah, you just want to take it on your root just so you can like pretty much press the root out and your wig can be as flat as possible. So since I'm going to be curling the hair, I need some layers. So that's what I'm about to do. Just brushing out their hair first. And then like you see, I'm doing some face framing layers with my shears. Not too much. I didn't go too short, but you know, just a little layer so the curls can lay how I want them to and be like nice and volume and have volume. That's the key to, you know, some good curls. It's the layers. Don't forget the layers, ladies. Also, don't forget to cut the ends, y'all. It makes your hair look 10 times better. So now I'm going to take my T3 curling iron. And yes, this is the best curling iron. Please believe the hype. I know it's expensive, but y'all, it really gets the job done. And I forgot what barrel this is because mine did come with 3 different attachments. But this is like the middle one. It's not the smallest one. It's not the biggest one, but it's the one in the middle. And then we're going to, of course, curl away from the face. A nice little tip that I can give you guys is when you're on the right side, make sure that your curling iron is faced up. When you're doing the left side, make sure your curling iron is face down. And then you want to spray the hair off. Usually I pin the hair, but we was going for kind of loose curls today, so I didn't pin it. I just let it cool a little bit in my hand and put some holding spray so the curls can stay a little bit. But yeah, so I'm just going to let you guys watch me curl the hair. Like, y'all already seen me curl hair a million times, but here's another one.
Asses on the passion, nigga. Asses on the passion, nigga.
These curls came out so good. So we just want to do one last final like spray. And y'all be careful because I was getting this spray in my eye all freaking day. But look at this bounce. Look at this luster on his hair. Like, this hair held the curl so good. And it's just so shiny. And it's perfect. Like, I really, really, really love this hair. Now, for my favorite part, it's time to comb out the curl. And I'm using a rat tail comb. I just like the look that it gives combing out the curls with a rat tail comb, because it really gives it more of like a wave look, and that's the look that I was going for. But this is pretty much the end of the video. I decided to not do baby hairs, but then turn around and did baby hairs off camera. But I think it looks pretty good with no baby hairs. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I love you all like always, and I see you in the next video.